how to make and create Facebook event cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to canva.com, log into your account. Now click on create a design right here and search for Facebook and go down, click on Facebook event cover. It will take you directly to this page. Now you have many templates. Choose any template from here. For example, you have party Facebook event, love Facebook event, birthday, wedding. Choose the template that you want and click on it, and you will be able to change the text and everything just from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.